Do not touch the bird. Do not drop your arm. Very important, you have to smile. Ready? Take this hong bao and give it to her. Don't smoke. Put it down, Sassy. Yeah, now grab it. Okay, and Sassy, you start out with me. Very good. Well done. You get a hong bao. Okay, I have one more hong bao to give away. Who wants to have a hong bao? Wait, okay, with the starting glasses. Okay, good. Please stand out. Hand to the side, open your palm. You know what to do? Okay, look for the hong bao, you ready. Okay, smile. Sir, you have to sit down, sir. You're not going to get confused and then on your head instead. Okay, ready, on the hong bao and go. Don't move, keep it still. Put it down, grab the hong bao and Sassy, you fly down to me. This way, very good. Okay, I need one more volunteer. Wow, but this time, sorry. Finish, no more hong bao. This time I need to see money. Who has money? $1 or $2? It must be in your form. Show me your money. Don't show me your hands. Who wants to do this? Quick, yeah. Okay, the lady up there. Okay, please stand up. 7 Okay, good. Right, how much do you have there? $2? Okay, I need to fold the money into half, make it smaller one more time. Okay, just enough. And hold your money to the side like this. Don't move. Sassy, she has money. What must she do? Take the money, Sassy. Don't waste time and fly down to me. Look, where the money goes. Into my pocket. Thank you very much. I like her. She's very generous. Let me ask her. So next, can the bird give your money? Sure, no problem. Thank you very much, ma'am. Do you want to do it one more time? And that is Alga, that is Teresa, and over there that is Kelvin. Okay, for the kid, you want to do this? You have to be at least 12 years old old and above. Okay, if you are little, you must not know. So with the little children, if you want to do this, you have to be at least 12 years old and above. Okay, with me, Vega, my colleague has said you with him. That is Patina. For those of you not on the hook, please remain seated throughout this act. Okay, are you ready now? Okay. Patina on 5, go. Big hand for them, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. A change of volunteers now. We need 3 new volunteers. This time we will be flying these two birds differently. Shay will be flying Patina from over there, and I'll be flying Vega from over here. But these two birds, they will fly and they will make an attempt to cross each other's path in that center group. Okay, 2 birds in one group, so all eyes on that way now. Okay, are you ready? Okay, good. Okay, ready? Друг навстречу другу. Go. That was a good crowd. Thank you very much, Shay and Patina. Last 3 volunteers. Last 3, this is your last chance to hold the group. Okay, so you can see right now we have Shane the center. We can do that. So all eyes on that group now. Are we ready? Okay.
Что?
The turkey vultures can be found in Central and South America. While vultures, they are nature's undertakers. In the wild, they will feed on the animals, and this will help to prevent the spread of diseases. The vultures, they are very territorial birds, especially the big ones, just like vultures up there. Look at him. He's coming to feed. He looks very, very angry. He's trying to protect his territory. Vulture going to stop there for a while, don't move, stay. Hey, I like that pose. Don't forget to smile, Vulture. Okay, you know what? You better open it up like all the way ready to go. Okay, everyone, watch the clock. Ready now? Okay, off you go. To be precise, this is the yellow name Amazon. That way, okay, and this boy here is very good at talking. So everyone, listen very carefully. All right? Okay. All right. Are you ready now? First of all, can you start by saying hello? Hello. You heard that? Hello. You know what? He has a name. Can you please tell us your name?
Amigo.
Amigo. One more time. What is your name?
Amigo.
Yeah, his name is Amigo. Okay, Amigo here is also a very polite bird. Okay, Amigo, please greet all these nice people.
How are you?
How are you? So how are you today? Fine, good, I hope so. Alright, as I told you earlier, today is the 13th day of the Lunar New Year, yes? And Amigo here, he has a very special greeting to all our Chinese visitors. Alright, Amigo, what do you want to greet them this new year?
Park.
You heard that? He said, Gongxi Fa wishing you a happy and prosperous Lunar New Year. Alright, Amigo is also a very smart bird. He can count from 1 to 10. First of all, Amigo will count for us in English.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. Let's give a big Jurong. I see you. He is so happy indeed. Okay, Amigo, you have done very well. Step one to meet back home now. Before you go, what must you say?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye and bye-bye to you, Amigo. Let's give him a big hand.